watch me transform my room from this to that. Hey guys, so I just finished washing and the room is in a mess right now, and right now come to do a cleanup. What's a Saturday without a cleanup? Let's clean it up together while I play my favorite gospel playlist. It will be playing on the background to give me some morale. Yeah, let's do this. I'm excited. It's giving SHS cleanup. Put on the old I do rub on you. Hey? No man if you just anybody, them make a make you shout. Wonder right. Your friends don't call me, makes me outstanding. Yeah, guys, so I'm officially done with the cleanup, and let's see how it turned out. So tell me why I forgot to clean the fan, and after I'm done with everything, I now remember that I have to clean the fan. Like, who are wearing bed sheets? Like, who does this? After I'm done taking out, I think I'm a paper fan. Hey! So this is the outcome of how everything is looking. Thanks for watching up to this point. Like and follow my TikTok for more. Thanks. See you guys in my next video. Mwah.